Hi folks, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we're in sunny Nottingham today, and we've got a nice recliner sofa here. But if you have a look at it, you can see here, look, it's got quite yellow. Can you see there? That's like from oils and that off your body. Okay, and especially on cream sofas, it stands out a lot more. As you can see, this is like a two-tone, so we're going to mask all this off here. If we go over here, you'll see that there's quite a few. It's not actually in bad condition, really. I think at the end of the day, it's a nice worn sofa. But once we've done our magic to it, then you'll see a massive difference when we finish. All right, so it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs. All the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. If you want to call us, 07904 640 389. And after video coming soon, folks. Bye for now. Hi folks, welcome back. It's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we finished this job now, and boy oh boy, look at this. And no, we haven't put new panels on, but it's not a new sofa. This is what you get when you get a restoration from Mobile Leather Repairs. Okay, so if you look at it everywhere, look, all these marks now that were there are completely gone. Okay. So if I take it from this angle as well, yeah, you can see now, absolutely superb job. And it matches this one, look. All right. So if people say to you, well, you know, will it match the other furniture? Then yes, because we'll take a colour match from this. So when we put it on this, very simply, it's exactly the same. All right. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs. All the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. And bye for now.